I'll teach you how to improve your grammar. I know studying grammar can be boring sometimes, but don't worry, this video won't be boring. For those who are new here, hi, I'm teacher Melike, nice to meet you. Welcome and welcome back to English Central. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting updates. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's get started. Studying grammar is such a boring thing for a lot of people. However, here's the thing. If you are not going to be an English teacher like me, or study language on an academic level, maybe study linguistics like me again, you won't need to learn every single detail about grammar. This is a mistake made by a lot of students, and what I mean by that is they tend to memorize a lot of grammar rules and then they forget to use them. But the thing is, you need to channel your energy into understanding the logic behind that grammar rule and not memorize the terminology. Think about it this way. Do native speakers know grammar terminology? Do you know all the grammar terminology of your native language? No, I don't think so. So stop memorizing the names and the formulas of grammar rules. But what are we going to do then? 1. Learn new expressions. Try learning from whole sentences. That's what I do when I learn a new language and when I teach a language to my students. That's a shortcut, almost cheating. Start with daily expressions. Learn sentences you can use during your daily life. You can check out our videos from our channel. I've made a lot of expressions videos and I will continue to make more. While waiting for new videos to come, you can check out our website to look for expressions. We have more than 30,000 video lessons. You can also book a live lesson with our teachers to practice. We even offer you your first lesson for free. 2. Practice the expressions. Once you learn these expressions, take a moment to think about them. Try learning their structures. As an example, there is this sentence that goes, "What do you want from me?" Now, I was one of those who were able to catch up with the vampire TV shows and books. And this is a sentence I learned from that era. Usually the main girl or a victim would say this, and the vampire boy would go like, "I want you to be okay," or "I don't want to hurt you." Yes, I learned English from vampires. But hear me out. You will gather all these sentences, understand their structure, and form new sentences from them. As an example, let's think about the sentence, "I want you to be okay." Focus your attention on the structure, "I want you to." You use this structure when you want something from someone. Take a step and create something new with it. Say, "I want you to bring me a cup of coffee," or "I want you to leave me alone." 3. Practice the structure. Now that you understand the logic behind it, you can focus your attention on playing with all the words in that sentence. Let's think of the sentence, "I want you to be okay," again. The logic behind it goes like, someone wants someone else or something to do something. Using this structure, form new sentences. "I want you to be okay." "I want you to sing." "I want that bird to sing." "I need that bird to sing." Add a new thing, maybe a time or place. "I need that bird to sing in the kitchen." "I need that bird to sing in the kitchen in the mornings." Take a few more steps, make more changes, and maybe you'll create a sentence like, "They need the cargo to be here by 7 p.m. When you compare two sentences, you will realize that although they look very different, they have the same grammar logic and structure behind them. Go ahead and try it yourself too. For some other techniques, you can try reading. Reading will help you see new grammatical structures and reinforce structures you are already familiar with by showing them to you again and again. Write texts. Write texts and form new sentences as much as you can. Then check if your sentences are grammatically correct. Look up new structures. Find new grammatical structures to practice. The more you learn, the more you will be able to express yourself. And there you have it. This is how you can improve your grammar and English. This is way more useful than trying to memorize terminology, wouldn't you say? Would you like to learn more? Keep watching our channel and you will find out. Or if you feel impatient, you can click on the link in the description box and visit our website to learn more about it. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Don't forget to comment. I'm thrilled to see what you guys think. Until next time, take care.